Hello student, in continuation of the previous topic, that is propositional logic, I have discussed briefly in the propositional logic the meaning of the sentence is lost while we convert into an English. So we go for the next higher order logic, that is called predicate logic, or we can say it is a FOPL, first order predicate logic. It is also called FOPL. So this is our topic. Now point number 1, a predicate with variables. A predicate with variable is not a proposition. A predicate with variable is not a proposition. For example, the statement x greater than 1 with variable x over the set of all real number is neither true or false, because we don't know what is x. Means the x can only be defined when we define its universe. See, the x can be true or false depending on the value of x. If we don't know the value of x, then how can we say x is greater than 1 or x is less than 1? We have to define the x in terms of universe or in terms of domains. You can say this is a type of relation. A predicate logic is different, is similar to something which is relation. How it is? For x greater than 1 to be proposition, we change the value of x for something like there is a number x for which x greater than 1 holds, or for every number x greater than 1 holds. If we say, if we add this one to the meaning of this, means which one? X greater than 1. X greater than 1 is valid unless and until we define something for x. See, a predicate with variables called atomic formula can be made proposition by applying following two operation to its variable. हम दो ऑपरेशन वेरिएबल्स पे इम्प्लाई करते हैं. पहला, असाइन ए वैल्यू टू द वेरिएबल और क्वांटिफाई द वेरिएबल यूजिंग क्वांटिफायर. वी असाइन ए वैल्यू टू द वेरिएबल इन द proposition so that it can make something which is called predicate logic. So a proposition with predicate logic itself is called a proposition with variable itself is called a predicate logic. And we also quantify the variable using quantifier. See how it is. For example, x greater than 1 becomes, if we assign a value of x is 3 greater than 1, if 3 assigned to x and it become true statement, so therefore it makes an proposition. Or you can say if 0 is greater than 1 मीन्स x की वैल्यू अगर 0 रख दी तो ये फॉल्स प्रोपोजिशन हो गया. तो वेरिएबल्स को हमें वैल्यू असाइन करनी है ताकि वो वैल्यू उस प्रोपोजिशन में प्रेडिकेट लॉजिक बना सके. और दूसरा है हमारा क्वांटिफाई द वेरिएबल यूजिंग क्वांटिफायर. नेक्स्ट, ए क्वांटिफिकेशन इज परफॉर्म्ड ऑन प्रेडिकेट लॉजिक सच एज x greater than 1 or px by using quantifiers on variable, and there are two type of quantifier. Quantification means you enhance something value of the variables in terms of two things, that is universal and extensional quantifier. Now come to this 4.1a, that is universal quantifier. The universal quantifier, for example, the previous example, the statement x greater than 1 can be read as for every object x in the universe x greater than 1, which is expressed in terms of predicate logic. In terms of predicate logic, for all x greater than 1, for all x greater than 1, it is in predicate logic. तो predicate logic में यूनिवर्सल क्वांटिफायर को यूज करने के लिए हम ऐसे शो कर सकते हैं. Now the statement, this statement is true or false in the universe of discourse called universe, which is the set of object of interest. Here the set of object of interest is nothing but set of all real numbers. So set of all real numbers for which x greater than equal to 1, it is a one form of the meaning of that predicate logic. Now second, 4.1b, the expression for all x px denotes the universal quantification of the atomic formula. Universal quantification of the atomic formula px, and it is understood as for all x px holds, or you can say for each x and the px holds, and for every x px hold. So it means for all x can be understood in different ways. Now second, this is about universal quantifier. Now comes to this extensional quantifier. Extensional quantifier का मतलब होता है there exists the expression there exists x px denotes extensional quantification of the atomic formula, and it is understood as, इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे, there exists an x such that px और there is at least one x such that px. तो ये हमारा तरीका हुआ दोनों को यूज करने का. तो यूनिवर्सल के लिए है फॉर ऑल x और एक्सटेंशियल के लिए देयर इज अ साइन ex. So these are the two things that you should keep in your mind, and apart from this the point I discuss in terms of variables. The variable should be clear while making a predicate logic. The variable concept should be clear, and after that the universe of discourse. First thing, you should be clear of variable. Second, universe, or third is quantifier. These three things should be clear while making any predicate logic. So in the next lecture I will discuss some syntax of predicate logic.